Cairo's timeline spans practically all of human history, making it one of the most interesting cities in the world, with its ancient monuments, medieval city, and modern skyscrapers. On the Nile River, Cairo is famous for its own history, preserved in the fabulous medieval Islamic city and Coptic sites in Old Cairo. The Egyptian Museum in the center of town is a must-see with its countless ancient Egyptian artifacts. No trip to Cairo would be complete, for example, without a visit to the Giza Pyramids and to the nearby Saqqara Pyramid Complex, where visitors will see Egypt's first step pyramid built by the architect Imhotep for the third dynasty Pharaoh. Though firmly attached to the past, Cairo is also home to a vibrant modern society. The Maidan Tahrir area, situated in downtown Cairo area, built in the 19th century under the rule of Khedive Ismail, has strived to be a Paris on the Nile. There also are a number of modern suburbs, including Madi and Heliopolis, while Zamalek is a quiet area on Gezira Island with upmarket shopping. Cairo is best in the fall or spring, when the weather isn't so hot. A felucca ride on the Nile is a good way to escape from the busy city, as is a visit to Al-Azhar Park. Since the revolution in 2011, the tourists have fled Cairo to a large extent. This has created an opportunity for unique experience of Cairo and Egypt cultural treasures without the crowds. Finding yourself alone inside a pyramid is now a real possibility. Prices are also lower. Cairo has a rich cultural and historical heritage, having been conquered by many civilizations throughout its history. This accumulation has made this city one of the most well-known tourist destinations on the planet. The city is also the capital of Egyptian culture, one of the world's oldest civilizations, and it has numerous historical items that you might be interested in. The Cheops Pyramid, one of the world's 7 wonders, is located near Cairo. Living as a big city for thousands of years, Cairo is a highly developed city in terms of tourism. The climate of the Mediterranean and the desert is characterized by a mixture of climate. In Cairo is fairly hot during the summer months, and the average temperature is approximately 40 degrees Celsius, with significant humidity generated by the Mediterranean Sea and the Nile River. This makes daytime excursions difficult, while the desert environment keeps the weather cool at night. Sandstorms visit Cairo in the spring, causing the air to become very dry. In the winter, the average temperature is between 15 and 20 degrees Celsius. It rains in the winter, although not much in Cairo. Overall, the ideal time to visit Cairo is between November and March, but the city is active all year round. Since ancient times, Cairo has been home to a diverse range of civilizations. With its rich cultural and historical past, it is a city that attracts everyone who visits it. The city has an aura that invites everyone who goes to learn more about it. Cairo is a must-see destination due to the natural beauty of the Nile and the outstanding historical structures that have been included in the World Heritage List. The pyramids of Giza are, of course, one of the first things that comes to mind when you mention Egypt. The country's symbol, the pyramids, are located a few kilometers south of Cairo. Giza is the first location you should see during your Cairo holiday. The mysteries behind the pyramids' construction remain unsolved to this day. The pyramids, which are also UNESCO World Heritage Sites, are known as Mykerinos, Kefren and Cheops. Cheops Pyramid is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Other well-known structures, like as the Sphinx, surround the pyramids, which are thought to be enormous tombs in the name of Egyptian King Khufu. The Egyptian Museum is one of the world's most important museums, housing the world's greatest collection of ancient Egyptian artifacts. The museum's French architecture draws attention, and it has 120,000 pieces, including statues and mummies of ancient Egyptian pharaohs. The museum, which was founded in the late 1800s, developed fast as a result of the findings discovered by British and French archaeologists. The tombs of archaeologists such as Auguste Mariette, who played a significant part in the museum's construction and worked hard, may be found in the museum's garden. Old Cairo, located to the south of the city center, is another UNESCO World Heritage Site. In the multicultural Old Cairo, there are several mosques, churches and synagogues. There are notable historical structures as the Virgin Mary Coptic Orthodox Church, Coptic Museum, Roman Babel Tower, and the Ben Ezra Synagogue, which is considered the center of the Coptic sect, one of the most ancient sects of Christianity. You'll go through the tiny and wonderful streets of Old Cairo as you wander through all of these ancient structures. The Nile is the world's longest river, and it has impacted the cultures, economics and even face of the civilizations that have grown up around it. Agriculture has been practiced along the Nile since ancient times, and there is a mechanism on Rauda and Rhoda Island called the Nilometer that estimates the river tides. You may go on boat cruises and admire the beautiful Nile River. You can try one of the classic coffee shops or indulge in the famed local shisha water pipes to soak up the vibe. In the summer, cool down with a refreshing drink from one of the numerous fresh fruit juice vendors. Cairo is one of the most populated cities in the world, with 17 million residents, and its location at the crossroads of Europe, the Middle East and Africa has led to a varied and flourishing culture. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.